Good morning, 3 class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Today is Tuesday, 12th January 2021. It's your maths period, and today we will solve chapter number 7. It's geometry. Today we will do question number 4 to 6. So open your countdown books. Students, open page number 193. It's question number 4. First of all, write classwork and short date, that is 12th January 2021. Question number 4 is measure and write the length of each line segment. Look at this. It is AB. We have to measure it and write length of each line segment. Students, how can we measure it without any scale or ruler? Can we measure it? No. For this we need a ruler or scale. Now put it like this. It's put a 0 on first point, that is A, which is A. Look at this. When we put here, it is A, and now on the B it is 2. Which line is this? It's 2. So it means it is 2 centimeter. It is 2 centimeter as it is start from here. Students, one more thing which is very important. Look at this. Don't put scale or ruler like this. Okay? It is a wrong way. We always start from the 0, and first point is at 0 and second point B is at 2. So it means it is 2 centimeter. It is 2 centimeter. Look at this. It is 0 and it is 2. It is on the 2, so it means it is 2 centimeter. So it means line segment AB is 2 centimeter. Now look at B part. It is PQ. Now we measure it. Now we again need a ruler to measure line segment PQ. Put a 0 on P point and Q is at 5. Look at this. It's Q at 5. So it means it is 5 centimeter. So line segment PQ is 5 centimeter. Now look at C part. It's RS. Now measure it. Now look at this. It's start from 0 and ends at 4. So it means it is 4 centimeter. How many centimeters? It's 4 centimeter. So we write here 4 centimeter. Now D part is PR. Look at this. It's P is at 0. Start from here and now R is at 3. How many centimeters? It's 3 centimeter. So we write here 3 centimeter. I hope you will understand it and measure the lengths of line segments. Now question number 5 is draw line segments of given lengths. First we have to measure it, and now we will draw line segments of the given lengths, which is PQ 4 centimeter, YZ is 6 centimeter, FG is 8 centimeter, and AB is 7 centimeter. Students, first of all, open your notebooks and maintain your pages. Draw margin line on both sides of the page. After that, write classwork Tuesday, 12th January, 2021. Topic is geometry. Is chapter number 7 and exercise 7A. Question number 5 or exercise number 5 is draw line segments of the given lengths. A part is given. Its PQ is equal to 4 centimeter. In question number 4, we learn how we can measure line segments And in question number 5, we will learn how we can draw line segments of the given lengths. For example, its PQ is 4 centimeter. So first of all, place a ruler on a sheet of paper or on your notebooks. Now, with a pencil, mark the first point as P. At the beginning of the markings on this ruler, it is here, it's P. Its point is P. Now, how many centimeters? It's 4 centimeter. Where is 4? It's here. Now, again, point. It is point Q. Now look at this, it's exact 4 centimeter, and now we will join these 2 points PQ. Now it is a line segment PQ which is 4 centimeter. Now B part is YZ is equal to 6 centimeter. Again take a ruler. Now on this 0 take a point, that is Y point, and it's 6 centimeter. So where is 6? It's 6. It is point Z which is given YZ. So it is Y and it is Z. Now we will join these 2 points. It's exactly, look at this, it is exactly 6 centimeter. It is line segment YZ which is 6 centimeter. Now C part is FG, it's 8 centimeter. Again take a ruler and place it on your notebooks. Now let's take a first point, that is, it's on the top of this 0, it's F point, and it is 8 centimeters. So it is, here is 8. So the second point which is G point, it's 8 on 8. So now look at this, it is exactly 8 centimeter. Now we will join these 2 points with the help of the scale. It is line segment FG which is 8 centimeter. Now D part is, it's AB 7 centimeter. Again place a ruler on the paper and take a first point, that is on the top of this A point is at 0, and now it is 7 centimeter, line segment of 7 centimeter. Where is 7? Now mark the second point at 7 centimeter. Look at this, it's point P. Now we will join these 2 points with the help of scale. Now it is line segment of AB which is 7 centimeter. I hope you will understand it, how to draw line segments of the given lengths with the help of a scale. Now look at question number 6. Using a ruler, draw pairs of parallel lines of the given lengths in your notebooks. Its A part is 2 centimeter, B is 5 centimeter, C is 1 centimeter, D is 6 centimeter, E is 3 centimeter, F is 7 centimeter. First of all, what do you know what are parallel lines? The lines which will never meet or cross at any point, okay? And the distance between parallel lines always remain the same. Look at these parallel lines. These 2 lines will never meet even if they stretch forever. If we draw these both lines forever, it will never meet at any point, and the distance between these 2 lines always remain the same. Students, now open your notebooks and maintain your pages right. Exercise number 6, draw pairs of parallel lines of the given lengths. A part is 2 centimeter. It's your homework. You will solve question number 6 in your homework. Okay. Now we will draw parallel lines of length 2 centimeter. Now we draw parallel lines of 2 centimeter. Look at this, it's 0. We start from 0 and mark a line till 2. Look at this, it's exactly 2 centimeter. And now we draw parallel lines. It means we draw one more line of same length, that is 2 centimeter. Look at this, it's parallel lines of 2 centimeter. Now we will draw parallel lines of 5 centimeter. Start from 0 and draw a line and stop at 5. It's 5 centimeter. Look at this, it is exactly 5 centimeter. Now again parallel line. So it means the distance between two lines always remains the same and it will never meet or cross at any point. Look at this, it's parallel lines of 5 centimeter. C part is 1 centimeter. Again start from 0. Look at this, it's 0 and stop at 1. It's 1 centimeter. And again parallel line. So one more line of same length, that is 1 centimeter. Look at this, it's parallel lines of 1 centimeter. Now D part is 6 centimeter. Again take a ruler and start from 0 and stop at 6. Again one more line of same length, that is 6 centimeter. Look at this, it's parallel lines of 6 centimeter. Students, you will solve remaining two parts E and F by yourself. I hope you will understand it. How to draw parallel lines of the given lengths with the help of a scale. And students, one more thing, you can also draw parallel lines of the given lengths with the help of color pencils. Like it's 2 centimeter, you can draw these two lines with red color or green color, and the length of 5 centimeter, these two lines with yellow color. It's up to you, okay? But use only color pencils, not color markers. And also draw very neatly, okay? Question number 6 is your homework and question number 5 is your classwork. 4 and 5 is your classwork. I hope you will understand it. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Do your work neatly and take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.